How to log into Shein account. Looking to access your Shein account to shop for the latest fashion trends? Logging in lets track your orders, manage your wishlist, and explore exclusive deals. In this guide, I'll show you how to log into your Shein account step by step. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Shein app in your device. If not, you can get this app easily from the Play Store or the App Store. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you'll find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Now click on the option of Sign In or Register. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, click on this drop down and select your country. Then you can type in your phone number or the email address. Also, you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. You can use this option only in the case you have created your account using these options, or else directly type in your email or phone number and then click on Continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide your details, click on Sign In, and that's how you can log into your Shein account. Accessing your account allows you to enjoy a seamless shopping experience and take advantage of Shein's latest offers. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.